pizza. And you're gonna start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. And then you're gonna take your dough out of the plastic bag. This is really sticky. I'm gonna have to spray the pan so it doesn't stick.
Place the dough in the middle.
Place the dough in the middle. I'm gonna take these 3 fingers.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pull on the dough and push with the opposite hand. Stretch it out.
Creating a crust.
It creates the crust. Knock the pizza off the counter, but you just want to stretch it to the edge of the pan.
You're doing good.
This is a lot harder than it looks. I'm just going to keep stretching. What if it starts to tear a little bit?
That's alright. That's good right there.
Stretching it. Filled with awkward silence. Next, you're going to take your sauce and open it.
Put that in the sink. Get a spoon out of the cabinet. Large spoon, large. Stir. Stirring the sauce.
Stirring the sauce.
Pour it in the middle. Half the can.
So you want to take half the can and pour it in the middle. And then you want to spread the sauce out. Make sure you push your sauce out to the edge, as well as spreading it in the middle. Next, you're going to take some oregano and sprinkle it on the sauce. Next, you're going to take your mozzarella cheese and spread it over the sauce and oregano. Spreading it out while the pan circulates itself. So next I'm going to put some mushrooms on this pizza. I'm going to take the jar and I'm going to open it and then drain it at the sink. So drain it and then take it off.
Mm-hmm. Put the jar down. You can squeeze them out.
Count the excess juices.
Alright.
Okay, and then you're just going to toss it on your pizza. There's one come out of the jar. Next, you're going to put it in the oven.
No. No, please.
Yes, please.
Get down, please.
Pizza's done. Oven mitts are from myself. Timer off. Technical difficulties. Okay. Cheese is all nice and lovely. That too. And then you just want to cut it. And that's how you make a pizza. Taste it.